Hello dear viewers, I hope you are doing great. It's been 2 weeks since OpenAI released the GPT-4 Omni model. Since then, I've been playing around with this model and trying to find out ways in which I can do my tasks more efficiently. With this video, I want to show you a practical way in which I'm going to use the 4o model. When you're starting to create videos for YouTube, designing the thumbnail is a challenging task. If the thumbnail is not good, it doesn't matter how good your video is. Viewers will first see the thumbnail and then click on it. Therefore, it is extremely crucial to design your thumbnails in the best possible way. I'm still learning the art of creating intuitive thumbnails. I'm certainly not good at graphic designing, and my thumbnail designing game is not up to the mark. But this is what I want to improve with the help of AI. Let me show you how. The image that you are seeing on the screen is generated using Canva, and I'm going to use the 4o model from ChatGPT and make changes to it. So I've logged into my ChatGPT account and I'm still in the free tier. 4o model is also available to the free users, and there might be a limit on how many requests you can send to the model. I was able to get the response pretty much instantly. So when you're designing a thumbnail, do not completely take help of AI to generate the thumbnail. I would say make some changes, initial changes, create a draft, and then take help of models like the 4o and ask for feedback. So what I've done here is, this was the cyberpunk image of a girl, and I have added a couple of things. Now the video that I'm going to create consists of the GPT-4o model and also of YouTube video. So it makes sense to include both the logos here and also add some text. Now if you see, this text doesn't look good in the black font color, and also if you look at the organization, there is a single word here, your, and this font alignment or organization can be improved much better, and I intentionally kept it this way. Okay, so just so I can get the right feedback from the 4o model. I gave this prompt: I'm creating a video on how to use GPT-4o model to improve thumbnail design. I'm attaching the first draft that I have created. Your task is to help me in improving this thumbnail. Tell me the good, bad, and areas of improvement. Now this was a very crude prompt that I gave. It can be iterated and improved. It's up to you. And when I gave this image and also this prompt, this is what the GPT-4o model gave me. So it gave me the good points that are there in the thumbnail that I have uploaded. Now let's take a look at it. So it gave me some pointers on the visual appeal. Says it is very eye-catching, and the vibrant colors and futuristic design are also good for grabbing the attention. Imagery is also clear. The aesthetics fit well within the theme of advanced technology. I agree. Branding elements, so including the GPT-4o logo and the YouTube logo, helps viewers immediately understand what the video is about. Now this is the kind of attention that I'd like to grab of the viewers, and it is also getting understood by the 4o model. Readability is relatively clear and easy to read, which is essential for the thumbnail. Got it. Now let us look at areas of improvement. Okay, so text placement and the size. The text is somewhat scattered and could be better aligned. Consider grouping the text in more structured manner to improve readability and visual balance. Now this is exactly the kind of feedback that I wanted. It also gives me a pointer about size adjustment. Okay, font color and size. So yeah, as I told you, there was an inconsistent style in which the font was organized, and it needs some adjustments. And it also gave me a note about the black color that I have used, but it also says you might want to try a color that contrasts more with the background. So if you look here, this black doesn't go well with what we have. So definitely I'll include this feedback in my prompt iteration, in the thumbnail iteration. Background and foreground elements. So Avoid overcrowding the thumbnail. If necessary, reduce the amount of text. Find a way to integrate it more seamlessly with the background. Okay. Call to action. Engage the viewer. Consider adding a subtitle like "Watch now" or "Learn how to." This looks good, but I still don't feel that my videos should be like this: "Watch now" or "How to make $1 million in a weekend," something like this. I don't want to add those clickbaity titles yet. So specific suggestions enhance the design of your I mean, there are other pointers which GPT-4o model has suggested, and I'm going to work on them and create a new thumbnail out of it. So after taking the feedback from the Omni model, I have transformed my existing thumbnail from this to this. I want to show you how AI models can be extremely useful in the tasks that you are doing. So every time you suck at a task, make sure to bring in AI in the game, right? This will definitely help you out. Make sure to iterate a lot on your prompts and make use of tools. AI is meant to be your friend. It assists you in your tasks. Thank you, dear viewers, for watching this video. I hope this was useful to you. See you next time.